There's the old ones unplugged. So both of them definitely makes a difference. This luck die is so on my phone. And basically lined it up with my eye. And I got to try that again. I'm lining it up in a dark corner with my eyeball. And actually, let's try it this way. Okay, so I can see that far back wall. Okay. That's about how I see right now. So basically, did it just dim again? It did too. Okay, so that's basically how I'm seeing with my eye. As for any kind of shadows or anything, I see myself as a shadow. But I did unplug my bench lights and those other bulbs, which would help with that. Right here, even on this side, actually, wait a minute. That's better. I had my my light on my phone on. But even this side here, you know, I can work here. There's not too bad of a shadow, even on the lights over there. So that's pretty good. But working on this side here, even if I stand, well, there's my shadow there, if you guys are seeing it. But I do get a little bit of a shadow, but of course, that's one light. Can you call that one light? Look at that guy, hey? It's definitely dimming my camera out huge. This is going to be nice for skinning a deer. That's all I know. Freaking nice ass bright light. But I'm going to start tearing this guy apart now and probably plug in my other lights too.